Welcome to this course on processes of manufacturing and packaging. Manufacturing lies at the heart of modern industry. It is the process by which raw materials are transformed into finished products that meet specific design, performance, and safety standards. Alongside manufacturing, packaging plays a crucial role in preserving product quality, ensuring safe handling, and enabling global distribution. In today's fast-paced, competitive, and technology-driven world, manufacturing and packaging processes demand not only technical knowledge but also efficiency, innovation, and compliance with international quality standards. This course is divided into two modules. Module 1, Principles of Manufacturing, covering material selection, fabrication, and quality assurance. Module 2, Packaging, covering packaging design, functions, processes, and its role in global industry. Let's begin with Module 1. Module 1, Principles of Manufacturing. 1.1 Material Selection. The choice of material is the foundation of manufacturing. Different products require different materials, depending on mechanical strength, durability, cost, and environmental considerations. Categories of materials include metals, such as steel, aluminum, copper, and titanium, used in automotive, aerospace, and construction industries. Polymers and plastics, lightweight, versatile, and used in packaging, electronics, and consumer goods. Ceramics, resistant to heat and wear, used in electronics, biomedical implants, and cutting tools. Composites, combining materials for enhanced properties, widely applied in aerospace, sports equipment, and defense. Key factors influencing material selection are strength, machinability, corrosion resistance, cost, and recyclability. Today, environmental concerns also drive industries toward sustainable materials. 1.2 Fabrication of parts. Once materials are selected, the next step is fabrication, converting raw material into a usable component. Common fabrication methods include casting, pouring molten metal into a mold, used for engine blocks or turbine blades. Forming, reshaping materials through processes like forging, rolling, or extrusion. Machining, removing excess material through turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. Joining, combining parts through welding, soldering, or adhesive bonding. Additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, building parts layer by layer using digital models. Each fabrication method is chosen based on product requirements, precision, cost, and production volume. 1.3 Quality assurance in manufacturing. Quality assurance ensures that manufactured products meet standards, specifications, and customer expectations. Key elements of quality assurance include inspection, checking dimensions, surface finish, and tolerances using tools like calipers, micrometers, or coordinate measuring machines. Testing, mechanical, electrical, or environmental testing to ensure product reliability. Process control, monitoring production parameters such as temperature, pressure, or speed. Documentation and standards, compliance with ISO certifications, safety regulations, and industry-specific standards. Quality assurance also includes concepts such as lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, which aim to minimize waste, reduce variation, and improve efficiency. 1.4 Skills in manufacturing. Modern manufacturing requires a blend of technical and practical skills, including reading engineering drawings and interpreting specifications, operating CNC machines and automated systems, understanding robotics and computer-aided design and manufacturing, problem-solving, teamwork, and adaptability in high-paced environments. Manufacturing is not just about producing parts, it's about producing them efficiently, accurately, and competitively in a global market. Module 1 Summary. In Module 1, we covered the principles of manufacturing, selecting appropriate materials, fabricating parts using different processes, and ensuring quality assurance through standards and inspections. Next, we move to Module 2, where we will study packaging processes, a critical stage in making products market-ready.